Do you know that there is a way in which hackers use to buy things on online stores like e-commerce websites like Jumia.com, Temu, Gigi, and they will pay less. In fact, they will not pay the actual price that is there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how they actually do it. But before we get there, this video is for educational purpose only. Secondly, please share this video to get to the people that need it. And please consider giving it a like for more updates. With that aside, let's go straight to business. So here we are in our hackers machine, and the first thing I'm going to do is to open a new terminal. And once our new terminal has opened, first of all, I'm going to run this command, Bob suit. Let me increase the font. So our Bob suit is already running. So after our Bob suit has been started, I'm going to click next, click startup. So what we are literally trying to do is, for example, we are on our Jumia website. I say for example, this is just for an example's sake. Once we are on our Jumia marketplace, for example, I want to buy this power station, and the power station is at the price of 534,000 naira. So I may decide to come here and change this price maybe to 10,000 naira, and I will make a purchase, and this will be delivered to me automatically. No joke. So how are we going to do that? We are going to go back to our Kali machine. So the first thing I'm going to do is to come to the plugin type, and then I will try to intercept the traffic. This is just trying to intercept the traffic that I am sending from my computer to the Jumia web server. And I will go ahead to open a browser. In this case, I'm using Firefox browser, an inbuilt browser in the Kali machine. So from here, I am going to open a new terminal, and in this terminal, I am trying to avoid Jumia because I don't want to have problem with the police and Jumia itself. So I'm going to avoid Jumia now. Let's do it on a public website like google.com. So let's use google.com for instance. So in this case, if I come somewhere here and then search google.com and I'll hit enter on my keyboard, you discover that this thing keeps searching. It keeps searching for a long time. This is because traffic that I have sent from my computer to google.com are being intercepted. They are all somewhere in a place where we can edit it before we then finally forward it to the web server of google.com. So let's go back to our Bob suit and check what is going on there. So once we are in our Bob suit, boom, congratulations for us. Look at all the requests that and the queries that we have sent to the google.com web server. Here, look at the time. We sent this one 8:36, and these are the request type. This is a protocol that we are using, HTTP protocol. These are the requests and all other information. Now, let's come down to this section. This is where everything gets interesting. This down section. So if you come here, this is the request, and we can go here and then edit the raw information or the raw request that we get from this website. Here, if you come here, you can look at other information, other relevant information we can find on it, because we used Firefox. If you look at this place, we used a Firefox to send this request, and we are using Mozilla 5.0 on Linux 86. So these are other raw information we may need it. So somewhere here we can come to this X, and these are the encrypted raw information we have. Then somewhere here, this is where the magic happens. We can come here and then edit this request, and then finally we forward it. So let's assume that we are using Jumia.com. Then you will come here and find the price somewhere here, edit it, and finally forward the message to Jumia.com or google.com, whatever you want to forward it. I am not going to go deep more than this to avoid problem with the police and Jumia.com or other relevant security agencies. For the second time, this video is for educational purpose only. It's meant for people that are into cybersecurity and want to learn how to intercept traffic or request or query from their computer at the client's side end to the web server. If you have watched this video to this point, please consider giving it a share and a thumbs up for more updates.